Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to make your Telegram channel public. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the chat section at the bottom middle of the screen, and here you can just simply tap on the channel that you want to make public. I can select this channel. After selecting the channel, you can now tap on name at the top middle of the screen, and here you can now tap on edit at the top right corner of the screen, and you can just simply see the option channel type. Tap on it, and here you can just simply select public, and after select public you can now tap on done, and it is the way you can make your Telegram channel public. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.